Good evening, candidates. Today is 18th of September 2023. This is our 10th class on group interview that I have been conducting. Now, to start with the people who have not participated, Mr. Siddhananda Gowda Hegaradi. Siddhananda Gowda Hegaradi, please tell me about yourself briefly. Siddhananda Hegaradi. Siddhan Gowda, your internet is not all right. Yeah. Siddhana Gowda. Okay. Those who want to speak, please raise your hand, because when I call, people are not responding. So better those who want to speak, those who want to answer questions, please raise your hand. Yeah, now only people are coming. Dharani, Anil, Jeffy, they are all coming. Very good. Yeah. Now, CP, what is your full name? I think internet is not all right. Is it problem with my end? Is it problem with my end or your end? Here, my end, the speed is very good. 370 Mbps speed is there. Speed is very good. Why some of you are not responding? Siddhananda Gowda. Siddhananda Gowda, ఏమి ఎందుకు మాట్లాడలేదు? Okay. Now, what have you studied? Each one can try to tell me what he has studied yesterday or day before yesterday. Tell about that briefly. Let me check up whether you have understood the question properly, whether you are able to tell about it correctly. Yeah, please start. Who would like to answer the question? Today's question, yeah, today in Punjab National Bank, a question came like this: credit officers. In Punjab National Bank, the question was asked, tell me about yourself. And one question they asked about which I don't know. What is defer tax liability and defer tax asset? This only our chartered accountant candidates must be able to answer. What is defer tax liability? Anybody knows about it? What is defer tax liability and defer tax asset? I don't know what it is. Acha, it is deferred. Deferred tax assets and deferred tax liabilities are the opposites of each other. A deferred tax asset is a business tax credit for future taxes, and a deferred tax liability means the business as a tax debt that will need to be paid in future. Good answering. It has been given nicely. Yeah, I am giving the answer in our WhatsApp page. In our WhatsApp page, Federal Bank page, then I am also giving in Punjab National Bank page. I have given the first question answer. First, that was a question they asked. Next one, is there any say finance student available here? Is there any finance student available here?
Yes, sir.
Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Ashish,
sir.
acha. So many of you there, Asa. This is a very interesting question. Now, the question is, what is the reason for 2008 financial crisis? 2008, there was a subprime crisis in America, which affected all the countries in the world. So what was the reason for that crisis? 90%. This question may not be asked for in Federal Bank, but Punjab National Bank people, if anybody is there, you can attempt this one. Anybody is there for Punjab National Bank? Credit officer? Nobody. Yeah. Ashish is there. Ashish, this question is very relevant for you. The question is, this is second or third time they have asked this question to our own candidates. Only a few candidates are there with us, and among them, this is the third time or so the question is being repeated. So first tell me, what is 2008 financial crisis and what was the cause for that?
Sir, in 2008 financial crisis means जो investment bank issues CDOs collateral debt obligation means on that CDOs there was basically houses are there. So they issues these as a security to the public and they raise money and then that they circulate that money into the market again. So the bubble was formed which will burst in 2008.
Good, you have told that one way nicely. What about others? Can any other
Sir,
person
Lehman
try?
Brothers collapse as they issues these CDOs. Goldman Sachs also issued such CDOs, collateral debt obligation, but they play safely as those CDOs were insured by the AIG America International Group.
Yeah. So anybody else would like to speak on that? Anybody else would like to speak on this subprime crisis? Here, giving it short, because in interview, we are not going to talk for more time. We have to talk briefly only. Here, I am showing you the deferred payment crisis. Various factors contribute to financial crisis, including systemic failures, unanticipated, uncontrollable human behavior, incentives to take excessive risks, regulatory absence or failures, or natural disaster such as pandemic virus. Now the question is, what was the cause of the 2008 financial crisis? The 2008 financial crisis began with cheap credit and lax lending standards that fueled housing bubble. That's what that candidate Ashish told rightly. American banks started giving loan at cheaper interest rates, 2%, 3% interest rate, and tax lending and lax lending standards. That is, they did not check up the credibility of the people. So people started buying houses and when the bubble burst, that is what happened when the job crisis came, people could not repay. Houses had to be sold in order to recover the debt. When more houses were brought for sale, the valuation that has been done that is wrong was come down heavily, resulting in this crisis. Could you follow that? The Great Recession that followed cost many their jobs and savings and their homes. That is why, even now in America, the land cost is not very high as compared to the land cost in Canada. In America, there are some portions where the land cost is very high. For example, California, San Francisco, the main cities like New York, Washington, those places it will be very high. But in majority of the places like Atlanta, Florida, and other places the costing is not high, excepting in a very small, very important areas. So that's okay. So that question, that much is sufficient. And regarding the deferred tax liability, one boy has asked, what is the example and all. I am unable to tell you about that. I suggest if you are a chartered accountant, you ask, or ask some other chartered accountant to tell you about it. Deferred tax liability. I have not come across this till today. I am in this line for so many years, and I am in coaching this interview itself for the last 4 years. And this is the first time that question has come. And how it is relevant, I am not sure. Please post in Punjab National Bank group itself so that other candidates can answer this. Other chartered accountant candidates may be able to answer you this question. Yeah. Next question. What is
Sir, sorry
current?
for the disturbance, sir.
Yeah.
My network is not good, sir. Up to now only network is okay, sir.
Acha, what
I'm
from
Siddhan,
where you
I'm
are from?
Siddhan Goda, sir.
You are from
I'm
which
from
place?
Karnataka, sir. Vijayapur district, sir. Karnataka, sir.
Oh, Bijapur. Acha, acha, acha.
Sir.
Now the internet is okay.
Yeah, sir. Now okay, sir.
Now I asked you about that crisis only, subprime crisis, and that question has been answered. Another question also, deferred tax liability, deferred tax asset, that was also answered. Now I will ask you another question. What is current asset ratio and which is ideal ratio?
Sir, current asset divided by current liability.
Yeah.
1.3.
The answer for this is current assets divided by current liability into 100. Here, that is percentage. You can't say that this is the ideal one. The answer has to be, it depends on the industry for which finance is being made. If it is a cement industry, the ratio may be 1.33:1. And if it is in a construction industry, it may be 1.1:1. However, an average of 1.25 to 1.33 is recommended. Okay. Next question. Who would like to answer next question, please? Who would like to answer the next question? I want some MBA finance or say chartered accountant to answer this next question, because it is also related to credit. It is also related to credit. Who can answer this?
Yes, sir.
Who? Ashish. Ashish, you have already answered. Let somebody else take the opportunity.
Sorry, sir.
No problem. I don't mind your offering it, but then the very basis of this exercise is people must develop their ability to communicate. See, it is not that you don't know, you know everything, but when it comes to interview, you are not able to communicate effectively. That is why this type of classes are being conducted on regularly. And you are lucky that the interview is going to take place after so many days. So it's an advantage for you. So everybody should participate. Everybody should participate. Please raise your hand. Somebody who wants to talk, please raise your hand.
Sir, sorry for the disturbance, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I completed agriculture, sir, and also I'm working in a postal department, sir, now. Which kind of questions they ask in interest, sir? My interview is on 26th, sir, this month one.
In Federal Bank?
Yes, sir, in Federal Bank. My interview on 26th in Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore, yeah. So they can ask you, what is your native district? And I think you took your first interview with me or not?
In GD, sir,
Not GD,
during GD,
not
no,
GD. In
this is the first interview, sir.
mock interview, did you take or not?
No, sir, this is the first interview.
Achha. Then mock interview, you decide one day. Your interview is on 26th, na?
6th. Sir.
When would you like to take the interview?
Whenever it's possible, sir. I'm always free now, sir, up to 26th, sir. Because I leave for 25 days, sir, for the preparation of exams.
So now you are free only.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Can you take it on 20? Because there is going to be only one interview. So shall I give it to you on 23rd September,
Sir, okay, sir.
6:30 p.m.
Sir.
What is your first 5-number cell phone?
974097.
9740.
97.
Achha, please send a message to me confirming, sir, 23rd, 6:30 p.m. mock interview. Please send a message to me immediately.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now, the type of questions will depend upon the way you are going to introduce yourself. And otherwise, even otherwise, the normal questions they ask for agricultural graduates is that who is the agriculture minister of your state? Who is the agriculture minister of the union cabinet? What are the problems faced by agriculturists in your area? What steps do you think government should take to solve the crisis of the people? What are the facilities federal bank is giving for agriculturists? About which scheme are you aware? Can you tell about Agri Gold scheme? Can you tell about Agri Kisan credit card? Can you tell about Agri term loan facilities? Like this, the question will go. And coming to other government schemes, say PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, what is it? What is financial inclusion? And what are the steps the government takes to achieve financial inclusion? And then if they have time, they will go into individual schemes like Atal Pension Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Suraksha Bima Yojana, then Sukanya Samriddhi Deposit Scheme, then banking correspondence, like that individual questions will be asked. Coming to agriculture, they can ask you, say, what is organic farming? Which companies are doing well in this regard? Then what is your idea regarding the modified crop? Is it good for health? Some such questions will come. Why did you take agriculture? If your father is agriculturist, no problem. If your father is not agriculturist, they will ask, why did you take it? Do you own lands? Like that. Okay. I have given you about 25-30 questions now.
And also one more thing, sir. I'm currently working in a postal department, sir. In that postal department, which kind of questions they ask?
Since when are you working in postal department?
Since
What is the nature of work you are doing? Why did you join that? Is it not the salary low? Why did you not wait for some other better paid job? Now, what is the nature of work you are doing here? What do you know about India Post Payment Bank? Under which ministry post office is coming? And like this, some questions they can ask you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, slowly they are selling post office to the private couriers. So
Yes,
they have not raised the postcard rate for the last 50 years. What is the postcard rate now?
It's mainly which kind of postcards, sir? There are 3 types of cards are there, sir. The normal postcards have 0.5 paise, sir.
0.5 paise?
Sir. Andre, in case of single line card, 1 rupees and Megadutta card like 0.25 paise, sir.
Paise? No. You are telling wrongly. 0.5 rupees. You are telling
50 paise, sir.
You should take 50 paise. Correct. Good.
50
so
paise.
likewise, some silly questions they will ask. Nothing very tough in that one. Do you go for delivery of tabals also?
Yes, sir. Both the branch office along with the delivery of tapals, sir.
Which area in Karnataka?
In our district, sir, Vijaypur district, sir.
How many letters you will get every day?
Sir, my branch is very small, sir, compared to others. In that, we get only in a daytime they get to only 5 to 10 account means letters, sir.
For delivery, I am asking about delivery.
Yes, sir. Delivery for only 10 letters are there, sir. Average on an average.
People come to your office and collect it, or you go and deliver it?
Sometimes they will come, and otherwise I will. It's my duty, sir. I will convey to that letter to that person, sir.
Is
If
money
by
order
letter,
is money order effective nowadays?
no, sir. Money orders is not effective nowadays, sir, because some kind of internet, some kind of technology has developed, sir. Money order is not there, sir, nowadays.
Everybody is sending money through GPAY, phone pay, and all that. There is no
And
need.
also we give the one facility, sir. IPP, through IPP we can send everything, sir. Through IPP we can directly connect to the phone pay, sir.
Oh, acha, very good, very good. Excellent. Who is the chairman of IPPI?
Chair Manoj, I lost my now preparing.
This is how the questions will go. Okay.
Sir.
Very good. Next one. Those who want to answer question, please raise your hand. Dhanalakshmi has come for the first time today. She has joined only yesterday. Dhanalakshmi, how are
Yes,
you?
sir. Fine, sir.
Very good.
How are you?
Yeah, fine, fine. Are you willing to take the question, please?
Yes, sir.
Dhanalakshmi, please tell me, why should we select you?
So if you see, I'm currently working as a business analyst in People Tech Private Limited. So and Federal Bank is one of my dream job, because in if you see, like in my campus, I was applied for the Federal Bank, and at that time, as I was selected in the People Tech Private Limited company, I was not given an opportunity to attend the interview at all. So this time, I don't want to miss that opportunity, and I'm sure that I'll give my best and I'll add value to the company, and I'll be an asset for the company in the growth and progress.
For this answer, we will give you 6 marks out of 10.
Okay.
The reason is you have not given the essential points. Of course, whatever you said are necessary, that must be told briefly.
Okay.
Then you should try to tell, I am a quick learner. I am a hardworking person. I enjoy shouldering higher responsibilities. I am good in time management and planning. I am good in problem solving skills. I am a good team player also. I always take challenges while doing work, and I enjoy talking to people, interacting with others. I am more suitable for this job, and hence you can select me.
Okay, okay, fine. So is it that possible to add any examples for these things, sir?
Yeah, you can always say, because as it is, I'm in my present assignment itself, I am engaged in say making videos by talking to various personalities. So I
Okay.
have the ability to interact with strangers also, based on the line in which they are working. So this ability will help me to canvas for our banking products like bank assurance, mutual fund products, then auto loan, then staff, the housing loan, like that. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
very
Okay.
good. So you have
Thank
to
you.
tell, like, you studied MBA finance, na?
Yes, sir. Finance and marketing.
Yeah. Why marketing is important for banks?
Marketing, because if you see, like marketing is important for any field, not only for banks. Without marketing, because after the products have been produced, selling of the product is very very important. So before that, the marketing comes and takes in place. So without marketing, no products could be sold. So only when we market the product well, the products will the customers will come to know about the products, and they'll be beneficial better. The customers will be beneficial better.
Wait. Now the same question I would like Nambudri to answer. He is going for a clerical post. Now please tell me, Nambudri, why
Yes.
marketing is relevant in banking.
Sir, I believe that firstly, no matter in which sector you are, you need the marketing skills to go the extra mile and deliver the results to your client. Because you have to ensure that all the product and services that my company is rendering to the customer, with the help of marketing only, you can ensure that the people they are aware of this, so that the sales and the sales growth of the company is achieved and the profitability will also increase.
Okay, after Nambudri, Divakar.
Yes, sir. I believe that marketing is most important to sell our product, because Ratan Tata has said even a good product need a marketing. So when we do a marketing only, we can reach out to more people. So marketing is an essential thing in any business to bring our product to the customers and reach out to the wider people.
Is there anybody else who can answer this? Anybody else?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, please answer. Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Welcome. Welcome. What is your name?
My name is Amal Lal, sir.
Amal Raj. Tell.
Sir, marketing is very important in the banking sectors, because in each day, the banking sectors, the competitions regarding the each product is increasing day by day. So we have to a proper marketing strategies to introduce our product into market. It is regarding just, for example, if Bank X has introduced a car loan, which XY facilities, if the very next day, the Bank Y also will be starting to imitate these facilities which are offered by Bank X. So the proper marketing facilities are required, sir, for in banking sectors. This is the reason why I choose for marketing sectors is important for the banking sector.
Yeah, I think this particular question I must have already looked into and answered in our chat GPT. I hope all of you are aware of a link I have given, namely chat GPT. Anybody says that I don't know about chat GPT? All of you know about it? Tell me, all of you know about chat GPT file I have given?
No, sir. No, sir. I just joined today.
Acha, you joined today only. Acha, one
Yes,
minute.
yes.
1 minute. Chat GPT. Just a minute for 5 minutes. See, I have sent you various links. In that, I'm showing you here. Stop sharing. 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 Yeah. See, I have sent you certain things, you must have received a mail from me like this, mail or message from me like this, giving you tiny URL, that is a Federal Bank interview folder and all that. Okay. Along with that, at the bottom, there will be this one, tiny URL, one thing I have given you. So what we should do, we should go there and put that, in which case it will tell us all the 109 plus pages material, and almost all that content is very relevant. All that content is very relevant. So
Sir,
what
where, sir? I can see the share.
are you seeing now? Chat GPT download file. Are you seeing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here I am going to add this point. Here you see I have given very many important points, like say qualities of an officer and all that. This is Chinese. This is not required. Here it is not required. But what I should give is this one, chat GPT. Where did I store it? This one, chat GPT. I have to store it here. Yeah. Acha, it has not come fully. It has not been able to copy it fully. I don't know why. some problem in that. I will take you to that page itself so that you can read it. Yeah, I am taking you to this page. Dana Lakshmi, please start
Yes,
reading
sir.
this. Start reading this.
Sir, I
Are you
couldn't see any
are you
page.
seeing on the screen? No.
Wait,
No, I will show
no,
you.
sir, we cannot see.
No,
I will
sir.
I will I will show you now.
Yes, sir, I could see now.
Yeah. Just a minute.
Marketing is
1 minute. Marketing is important. Yeah.
Marketing is important in the Indian banking sector for several reasons. First one, competition. The Indian banking sector is highly competitive with numerous public sector, private sector, and foreign banks operating in the country. Effective marketing helps banks differentiate themselves from their competitors and attract customers. Customer acquisition. Marketing plays a crucial role in acquiring new customers. Banks need to reach out to potential customers, educate them about their products and services, and persuade them to choose their bank over others. Customer retention. Retaining existing customers is as important as acquiring new ones. Effective marketing helps in building strong relationships with customers by providing them with personalized services, addressing their needs, and keeping them engaged with the bank. Brand building. Marketing helps banks build a strong brand image and reputation in the market. A well established brand can instill trust and confidence in customers, making them more likely to choose a particular bank for their financial needs. Product promotion. Banks offer a wide range of products and services, including savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and investment options. Marketing is essential to promote these products effectively, educate customers about their benefits, and drive sales. Financial inclusion. In India, there is a significant population that is unbanked or underbanked. Marketing campaigns can help raise awareness about the importance of banking services, especially in rural and underserved, underserved areas, and encourage more people to open bank accounts. Digital transformation. With the increasing use of digital channels for banking, marketing is vital for promoting online and mobile banking services. Banks need to educate customers about the convenience and security of digital banking and encourage their adoption. Regulatory compliance. Indian banks are subject to various regulations and guidelines from regulatory authorities like the Reserve Bank of India (RBI). Marketing campaigns must adhere to these regulations to maintain the bank's credibility and avoid legal issues. Cross selling and upselling. Marketing helps banks cross sell and upsell their products and services to existing customers. By analyzing customer data and behavior, banks can target relevant offers and recommendations, increasing their revenue per customer. Risk mitigation. Effective marketing strategies also involve assessing and mitigating risks associated with lending and investment activities. Banks need to communicate their risk management practices to customers to build trust and confidence. In summary, marketing is crucial in the Indian banking sector to remain competitive, acquire and retain customers, build a strong image, promote products and services, facilitate financial inclusion, adapt to digital trends, ensure regulatory compliance, maximize revenue, and manage risks effectively.
Good. I have copied this. I am giving it in our WhatsApp page. What is our PNB? PNB, that much may not be required because they are going only for credit. It's required for our Federal Bank. Now, this one is also required in our, where is that? Chat GPT, where did I keep it? Chat GPT, yeah, here. Marketing is important. Just a minute. Sometimes it becomes complicated to paste it. Yeah. Good. Then Lakshmi, you read nicely.
Sir,
You read
thank you.
nicely. Thank you. You read nicely. Best wishes. And all of you must be aware of this link I have given. Here 123 pages material is there. Not everything is important. Same time, many of these things are important here. So please go through that. Go through that. For example, here, credit officer, what are the, what is the requirement of a credit officer?
So which site it is like posted? I was going through. I couldn't see any chat GPT.
What is this? I have given you this material. Just a minute. I have given you yesterday only. 1 minute. Yesterday only, I have given you this material, and 1 minute. 1 minute. This one. Have I not given you like this? Please Google Sheet if you have not filled so far.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Below that, Federal Bank interview folder links. Then comes A 2023 Federal Bank interview questions. Then comes Chat GPT.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good. Yeah, so that's what it is. Now, next, admit somebody. Yeah, good. Next question. Any other person? Shruti is willing to answer. Shruti, you are from which place?
So I'm from Jharkhand.
What is your degree?
I have pursued BSc in agriculture.
BSc in agriculture.
Yes,
Why
sir.
did you choose agriculture? Is your family into agriculture?
No, so actually my family is not into agriculture. I chose PCB during my like higher school. That's why. So
Hello.
so yes, sir. So
Hmm.
actually I was coughing. That's why I had to mute. I chose PCB during my 11th and 12th. So I went for agriculture.
Mhm. Or you can tell
Yes.
them that I could not get admission in medical. So the next option I wanted to have is agriculture. Okay.
Sir, but if the reason is not getting like seat in, because I cleared medical as well, but my father was asking me to go for like studying in Ukraine or China, but I didn't want to do that. That's why I stayed back in
No.
India.
Clearing medical for Ukraine is not clearing. It
No,
is
so when I cleared medical, that time when you had to study from other countries also, you had that like the clearing medical was required, like NEET examination. Yes, sir.
Acha. It is good that you did not go to Ukraine. Who is the president
Yes,
of
sir.
Ukraine now?
Sir, sir, I know, sir. I
Zelensky.
forgot.
Zelensky.
Zelensky, sir. I feel difficult to pronunciate it.
Zelensky. Yeah. Who is the president or prime minister of Russia?
Putin.
So Vladimir Putin.
Walter
I think.
Putin.
Vladimir Putin. Correct. In what way G20 meeting has helped India? Do you think it has been beneficial for India as it is to hold the meeting here in this year? And what is its relevance and how far it is going to help the country?
Okay, so first of all, that India will get more exposure now because after this, India is actually getting a lot of name because of that. During G20, this year only, India had good terms with Australia, and then now our education will be even our education will be accepted in like Australia as well. So these are the points. Sometimes like I feel like G20 is actually beneficial for India as well. So actually I have not been that much thorough with the topic, but I'm aware of some of the points. That's why I'm just giving it.
Anybody else would like to try this question? This question is a very general. Normally what they ask is, for Federal Bank, they don't complicate. They will ask you, what do you know about G20 meeting? And in that, if you tell about the new member that will do, and the next president that will also do, and what were the important, say, resolutions or so that were passed in that, if you tell, that is sufficient. But going deeper only, this type of question can be asked. Now, Aditya Gupta, can you answer this question?
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Aditya
Uh,
Gupta is also a new student of our group. Dhanalakshmi new. Aditya Gupta new. These two people have come only today. Today, after so many days, they are coming so very late. That shows either they don't have decision making ability to decide things quickly, or they are not keeping themselves updated with the current happenings in the field in which they are interested. Sorry to give this negative feedback, but not because you are not paying me money, but आप पहले आने से तो इतना अच्छा से आप पढ़ सकते हैं. सो इसको सोच के आपने बताया था. आदित्य गुप्ता, आपने किस स्टेट से आए हैं? यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम विच स्टेट?
sir, I am from Delhi. I have completed my BCom honors from here only.
अरे बाबा, दिल्ली में तो हमारा श्रुति भी है. श्रुति Shruti or two other, a lot of boys are there from.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
from Delhi. Doesn't matter. Now tell me, Aditya Gupta, you answer this question.
Yes, sir. Sir, like as we all know that India is now being counted as one of the most powerful nation. So India's presidency has given like a way showing about how like how can we lead the country, other countries, and also the New Delhi Declaration has also like there was discussion on terrorism. There was discussion on the Ukraine war, that not specifically mentioning that Russia had invaded the Ukraine, and also like the economic corridor which is going to be built via Saudi Arabia, Italy, then to UK, and then from that, then America.
Good, nice. Thank you.
And also, sir, like due to that also, and plus seeing the foreign ministries, like the uh, uh, the uh, the other countries affairs, and plus the relationship with other countries with India are like much great due to the foreign minister of S. Shankar of India. And also due to that, the UNSC permanent membership has also been nodded by USA, and has been said by him, by President Joe Biden, that the now we need to shift or create more spaces in the United Nations Security Council permanent member from 5 to 6 or 7.
Okay. Now Surya. Surya is a English literature candidate. Surya, yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you? How is your level of confidence now?
Level of confidence, like I know something, but I will try my best, sir.
No. The only problem is because you are not having day-to-day exposure to people, and not having practice of talking to people in a business atmosphere, as compared to this candidate Dhanalakshmi. She's got experience. She is talking to people. Her job is to talk. Once you do that way, your ability will improve. Surya, I will give you two questions.
Okay, sir.
The first question is DHOLERA, Dholera.
Okay.
What is that? Next question. What is the crisis that has been told about smartphones in France? That is current happening. Just now it is happening. Yesterday, day before yesterday, things are going on. Surya, please tell me. First one you may not know because you are not a girl from North India. Anybody from North India can tell me what is Dholera?
Can I ask you, sir, some doubt? Like Dholera is a festival or something?
No.
No. Okay.
No, that's wrong. Anybody from North India, especially Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan?
It is a place. It is a place in Gujarat.
Good, excellent. No. The reason why I started asking that is today in Business Standard they have posted a video on this. As Dholera lost importance, because it seems in the year 2007 or 8, when Modi was the chief minister itself, they started that Dholera to be made a powerful export processing zone. But still nothing much has happened in that place. So that was the negative point they have written about that. At least if you know, Dholera is a special economic zone for which steps are being taken by government to improve it. It seems some of the projects which were identified for that place by Tatas have moved to some other place, Ahmedabad or some other thing. So like that, this question is very relevant for Nambudri. Nambudri?
Yes, sir.
Nambudri, this question is very relevant. So you can get to know about Dholera ka kya hua, kyun hua, kaise hua. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good. Now we will go to the next question. Good. Next question. Now, anybody MBA? I think a lot of MBA students are there here now today. Lot of MBAs are there.
Excuse me, sir, you asked me about the France smartphone ban.
Which one? Ask France.
First,
France. France. Tell me.
it is like France is banning smartphones in the schools. It is the news.
No, that is not the news.
Okay.
Can any other person tell me what is the current news connecting France and iPhone?
Yes, sir, banning iPhone 12.
Banning
It
iPhone.
is
Ban-
that some rate were exceeding about 22. Their limit ratio is about 15 or something. iPhone, some technical thing is exceeding 22 rate.
No, not 22.
Sir, due to the radiation.
The radiation
Sir.
frequency is increasing, that's why.
Yeah, the radiation
France has
the radiation frequency from I-12 phones are 5.7, 5.8, whereas as per European standards, it is only 4. So they say that they have asked, what is that, our Apple company to withdraw all the iPhone 12 phones in France, to which our Apple has told that we have given lot of reports earlier which says the radiation is not that much. However, if after finding it is decided, then we will take back all the iPhone 12s. Now, this is at a time in order to create a bad name for Apple, because this is the time they have introduced iPhone 15 on 15th of September. Of
Sir,
course.
and also the other news related to iPhone is that America also nearly ready to ban the iPhone, sir, because of the personal data. They may have issues with security purpose, so they will ready to ban the Apple, sir, Apple iPhones in
Yeah.
America, sir.
So that is the case. In fact, see, the question of data being, 1 minute, I'll stop and re-record.